Hello, everyone. Welcome to this part two with regards to In Conversation with Future Niperians. Today, we have with us Mr. Nitik Jain, GPAT All India rank triple digit 217, and from 217 to Niper All India rank 22. So, a big jump, I would say. Let's get an idea from Nitik. How was the journey? What was the change? What was it which kept holding on to stuffs to make it to a double digit? Although I suppose I'm sure it was a single digit being targeted for Niper. Nevertheless, the goals are close. It's almost done. So yes, we have with us today Mr. नैतिक जैन. नैतिक अपनी पूरी जर्नी बताएंगे, कैसे जीपैट स्टार्ट हुआ, कैसे फार्मालाइट के बारे में पता चला, जो मुझे भी जस्ट अभी पता चला. नाइपर के लिए कैसे उन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया, व्हाट वाज इट डिफरेंट कंपेयर टू जीपैट, एंड व्हाट वाज द रीजन दैट जो जीपैट में नहीं हो पाया, जीपैट में वो डबल डिजिट रैंक में नहीं आ पाए. ऑल्दो आई वुड से द स्कोर वाज टू गुड, but Niper, it went almost up to the expectations. So yes, welcome to the show, Natik. I suppose the environment is great and we are just waiting to step in Niper Mohali. बस पावर रखना बाकी है. कैसा है feeling? I mean, how great is it?
Yes, thank you for calling me here. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है होके because after getting GPAT 217 it's very difficult to come up क्योंकि लगता है कि आगे 200 लोग और हैं. You have to overcome 200 more people to be AIR1, which was the target initially. But 22 is also very good. I'm very much satisfied with it.
Great. Congratulations, Natik, first of all, to begin with. Nextly, Natik, how was the entire journey? I mean, people when they get a rank of 217, I suppose we had a word post exams, we had a word somewhere roundabout results, and we were not expecting 217. We were expecting something which was well within 100. No doubt the paper for GPAT 21 was very easy. There were people attempting a lot of questions. So yes, just एक आइडिया लेना है कि कैसे जीपैट में कुछ गलत हुआ जो नाइपर में गलत नहीं हुआ. So what points would you probably kind of picture in कि जो गलतियां जीपैट में हुई थी वो आपने नाइपर के टाइम नहीं दोहराई.
So like GPAT I would tell is very vast syllabus और थोड़ी चीजें ऐसी होती है जैसे कभी पढ़ी नहीं जाती, जैसे कोर्स अलग होता है. लाइक माय कॉलेज एनएमआर कभी पढ़ाया नहीं गया था, लेकिन जीपैट में क्वेश्चंस आए थे. हमारे पोर्शन में एनएमआर नहीं है, तो आई
Okay.
कुडंट अटेम्प्ट, वो गलत हो गए. बट आफ्टर जीपैट वही एनएमआर हमने इतना डेप्थ में किया कि I like 2-3 questions आए थे and I was able to answer all of them in Niper. Like that is the difference. Niper is, you can tell, like very concentrated on basics. GPAT is vast. They can ask you any corner and anything.
What was the difference in your preparation method between GPAT and Niper?
GPAT, like GPAT you have to struggle a lot because it's the initial step. Like सब कुछ पढ़ना होता है उसमें. Then like Niper things become easy because GPAT में already सब कुछ पढ़ा रहता है, बस revision you have to do it, and followed by you have to keep you have to keep yourself updated with GK and all aptitude.
Tracking extra domains in.
So yeah, yes.
नैतिक, जीपैट के टाइम पे आपने फार्मालाइट के टेस्ट सीरीज पे टेस्ट पेपर्स प्रैक्टिस किए रहेंगे. नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू अटेम्प्टेड इन योर जीपैट पेपर ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जाम.
During practices I used to, like, out of 125 question, aim was minimum 100 questions every time. So same thing I continued during NIPA. I had attempted 101 questions out of 125
On the day of GPAT
and
paper as well.
yes.
And what was the number of marks, or I would say number of correct questions you were getting during practice paper for GPAT?
So practice papers were not going so good initially, especially 10 papers, like only 60 or 50 sometimes. But later, जैसे जैसे grip आता गया, questions मालूम पड़ने लगे, then it was okay, 80, around 80.
I think ये जो 60-50 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट जाते थे, जीपैट वाज इन फेब 21. तो ये जो 60-50 करेक्ट क्वेश्चंस का दौर था, वो जो सफर था, हिंदी वाला है सफर, नॉट इंग्लिश वाला सफर.
हाँ.
So which month it was it October, November, December, or was it somewhere around June, July, August?
It was back only, like
So
एग्जाम
I
के
suppose
ज्यादा
it
क्लोज
was
नहीं था.
initial days, right?
इनिशियल डेज, हाँ, जब
मतलब
स्टार्ट ही हुआ था.
आज शो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का मेंटालिटी है, दे फील दैट मैं एक बार पूरा सिलेबस पढ़ लेता हूँ, फिर मैं फुल लेंथ टेस्ट पेपर सॉल्व करूंगा. दिस इज व्हाट एवरीवन प्रेफर्स. Probably we, you all might have preferred the same thing, but Pharmalite always kept you pushing that start solving question papers now. And the only reason to
Yes.
do that was simple. आप अगर अगस्त में या जून में पेपर सॉल्व करते हो एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग ओनली 60 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट, एज यू सेड, लेट्स कंसीडर 50 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट, 75 क्वेश्चन जो आपके रॉन्ग जा रहे हैं वो बेसिकली आपको ये हेल्प करने में, ये आइडेंटिफाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं कि आपके वीक एरियाज कौन से. So was
Yes.
that the logic of you going about, and you know, with each paper wherever you went wrong, you made a separate note that अरे ये chapters मेरे wrong जा रहे हैं, ये मेरा focus है before I move to next papers.
या व्हाट आई डिड वाज, मैंने कभी पूरा पढ़ा नहीं था पेपर अटेम्प्ट करने के पहले. जितना पढ़ा था उससे ही फर्स्ट पेपर लाइक आपने बोला था सॉल्व करो, देखो कितना गलत है सही है, इट विल गिव यू आइडिया अब तक कितना आता है. तो उसमें तो कुछ इट वाज वेरी बैड आई थिंक, बट इट्स ओके. जैसे जैसे पढ़ते गए वैसे वैसे एवरी वीक वी यूज्ड टू सॉल्व अ पेपर रैंडमली. देन व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज लाइक जब सैचुरेट हो जाता है पढ़ना, instead of leaving, I used to solve a paper and like what do you call, like one liner I used to write and the answer.
Pinpoints.
That that only I used to revise monthly or so, and at the same time उसके बीच में वो topic खत्म कर लो पढ़ के, तो थोड़े questions आ जाते थे.
Nitik, with regards to NIPER 2021 and GPAT 2021, let's talk more with regards to the recent part of it. NIPER 21 में कितने questions आपको ऐसे लगे out of 200 that आपने ये कहीं पे देखा है, या आपके टेस्ट सीरीज में था, या इसके रिगार्डिंग कंटेंट नोट्स में था, या इसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ चीजें लेक्चर में हुई थी?
Sir, around 130 to 140 questions were direct what we have done in class or the notes or the test series. Like test series से तो direct questions ही थे. And I have
same
solved
question
so
with
many
4
papers
different options. Same question, same 4 options.
Almost.
Okay.
3 तो मैच करते थे because वो क्वेश्चन ही वैसा होता है. The amino acid containing imine group सबको मालूम रहता है, proline, like direct questions.
So basically, if I talk with regards to NIPER All India rank 01 for NIPER 2021, शायद उसके 170-180 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट गए होंगे, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट, बिकॉज हाईएस्ट स्कोर तो 90 भी नहीं है. मैं तो मैक्सिमम साइड पे बोल रहा हूँ एज ऑफ नाउ. लेट्स कंसीडर हाईएस्ट स्कोर 85 था. इन दैट केस 170 करेक्ट क्वेश्चंस वुड बी समथिंग जो ऑल इंडिया रैंक 01 का रहा होगा. इन दैट केस आउट ऑफ 170, 130 का बकेट आपके पास ऑलरेडी था. So that struggle was of next 40 questions, which made you different, which made you to a double digit rank compared to a triple or someone else.
Yeah.
So what did you do for that different 20, 40 odd questions? I mean, any separate reference book or anything which was being asked to refer? कुछ ऐसा जो पहले नहीं हुआ था but you tapped onto it in the moment?
Those 40 questions you cannot tell they were out of the box. They were within the portion but not direct questions. They were like applications. अगर आपका chemistry strong है तो it's nothing. The entire game was about chemistry only. Like example I'll give you, like everyone reads Clemmensen reduction, is that what they did is they twisted the question. They gave a big drug structure and the arrow mark, they asked what is the reagent. The product was there, aldehyde ketone conversion was there. If you can identify those functional groups, you can tell it's Clemmensen. It was like tricky questions.
So it was all about application, and they never asked you what is Clemmensen reduction, but just twisted it up.
No. Yes.
And how about organic chemistry, or I would say chemistry at Pharmylite? I suppose, how many times did you come across those name reactions which you wrote prior exams?
So whatever, like they were by heart. It's like reading question and answering.
It was like, in and out, including our way of doing them comparatively, that Bayer, Vinegar or Feverus की same है, एक में ring expansion है, एक में ring contraction. So we hit the right points, you know, kind of getting into it. So our predictions went correct in those rounds.
Yeah. It was such imprinted in the brain that you can see ring expansion Bayer Vinegar ही होगा. It's like that.
So chemistry पूरी fit हो गई थी. What about your different subjects with regards to prep at Pharmylite? Because I suppose, let it be NIPER 21, let it be GPAT 21, or let it be any of these competitive entrances, they focus a lot on pharmacology because ज़्यादा semester में रहता है. They focus a lot on chemistry because again it's in many semesters, and they focus lastly on pharmaceutics, which is again a part of multiple semesters. So how was your preparation being supported by Pharmylite with regards to these 3 subjects?
Sir, Pharmylite helped a lot actually because chemistry एकदम बुक से देख के समझ नहीं आता, कोई सामने वाला समझाए तो ही it's good. And we have done in-depth chemistry. Sutix also we have tabbed chapters to that extent that any question can come, especially tablets. People think it's a basic chapter, they read the outer parts and leave it off. But we went to like wo ingredient ka brand name kya hai, everything in depth, what machines are used. So it gives you like a comfort zone to attempt questions.
So things were pretty much covered, and we were on grounds that yes, we are
Yes,
going to hit the mark.
yes. Like
Coming
it
to
gave
the
confidence.
practice, probably because you did it multiple times and you
Yes.
ensure that you cover your weak points. Great to hear. Coming to the point, Pharmylite के बारे में पता कैसे चला आपको? I mean, how did you come across to reach Pharmylite?
Sir, I was first, second year की बात है. I was just searching about GPAT. I came through your channel on YouTube. Then later वो channel से उस time फिर हो गया, छोड़ दिया. फिर third year में proper preparation start की, तब I came to know about your website. फिर वहाँ से चालू करके I have enrolled into your classes.
I suppose that YouTube was probably the game changer for you and us both.
Yes.
I think with regards to a common question which many students have, कितने घंटे पढ़ना है? So do you think it has got any relevance with regards to hitting the mark?
घंटे like does not matter I think because दिन भर I had college classes. पढ़ने का टाइम शाम में ही रहता था and we have classes उस टाइम. तो फिर टाइम does not matter, like you have to keep revising what you know. अगर एक बार GPAT का हो गया तो नाइपर के लिए बस रिवीजन ही करना पड़ता है.
Focusing on what you
तो
know, strengthen it, and then take it further.
yes.
Any areas which were very weak prior starting prep with GPAT, and probably the day you wrote GPAT or NIPER, things were comparatively very easy. That
I
change
would tell
in
chemistry.
okay, so that major weightage of the
Especially
paper,
especially after GPAT, my chemistry changed because I understood that in GPAT.
it has got a good weightage because I suppose we did something as basic as electrophilic substitution,
Yes.
nucleophilic electronegativity. So we went right to semester
Yes.
one, semester two, and yes, we finally touched it with semester eight as well. Coming to some
Yes.
important things like at Pharmylite, we always believe that feedback matters a lot, and we were always in conversation with you all that something which is still needed by you all, and we just got few questions in that. If can we do heterocyclic rings for NIPER paper before exam, and probably we had 7 8 days left for NIPER. I suppose exam was on Saturday. We had lecture on a Saturday prior evening, Sunday morning,
Yes.
Sunday evening, Monday evening,
Yes.
Tuesday evening. We spent almost 7 or 10 odd hours on just heterocyclic rings of
Heterocyclic.
all the chapters of pharmacology and medicine. How big an impact did it make on the day of exam?
So it was directly 5 6 questions in our bucket. Exact the drug name and the heterocycle line to line same आया sir. बिल्कुल. Like example is like levamisole.
So, with regards to your prep, with regards to heterocyclic ring and in those drug structures, did you do it in prior hand or was it something which we did right at the last part?
What I did was some like basic chapters I had done, like cancer के heterocycle कर लिए, hypertension के heterocycle कर लिए. Like I never thought कि हर छोटे से छोटा chapter and बड़े से बड़ा chapter I'll do, because it
Correct.
felt like impossible before the class. After you had compiled it everything in the classes, it became very easy and direct questions came in the exam also. So it was very helpful.
Probably this was something we planned in and we delivered on time.
Yeah.
Nextly, with regards to different weightage part of it, because we believe a lot in analysis based on questions which pop up, and they did during NIPER as well. So with regards to the analytical part of it, like we say high weightage for ecology, high weightage for medichem, high weightage for surtex. So what was the amount of prep you did on your side? जब आपको पता है कि ecology से ज्यादा question आते हैं, so did you cover everything for pharmacology or did you leave something still in option which was never your interested chapter?
So college, I have completed A to Z. I have finished KD Tripathi. I have done Sparsh Gupta. I have solved multiple MCQs on the same.
Let's talk about your hated subject, chemistry.
Chemistry.
How about
Not
that?
hated, but difficult to retain the matter. Like sometimes basics में confusion हो जाता है एकदम. Hyperconjugation and that. It's
Tautomers
like
and
very
everything.
confusing. हाँ. तो just before exams we did revision lectures, so उसमें बिल्कुल clear हो गया, like it was very like basic, किसी को first time पढ़ा रहे हो वैसा it was taught, so it was very easy.
Starting right from the ground.
And we covered analysis to a great detail, spending many classes for each topic, so it was very
Spectroscopy
helpful.
especially.
Yes.
On important grounds, Natik, if there's a student who is a GPAT 22 aspirant and he's starting now, will you recommend him to solve question papers now, or that same mentality, let October, November, December come, मेरा जितना पढ़ के हो जाएगा तभी मैं पेपर सॉल्व करूंगा?
He should actually start solving now, because जितने क्वेश्चन तुम करोगे उतने, what do you tell, like more the chances are there that you might do the questions which will come in exam. They're very, the concepts are same, the only ways of asking, they can ask in different ways. Once you get all the ways कि वो कैसे पूछ सकते हैं, तो फिर it's nothing like, और तुमको याद भी हो जाता है कि वो नहीं आता था तो मैंने वो वापस पढ़ा है, so you will retain it in your brain.
एक सिंपल ड्रग जिसका, जैसे एस्पिरिन का केस ले लेता हो, जो 21 का क्वेश्चन था, then didn't ask side effect of aspirin. They said there is a 3-year-old kid suffering from influenza, aspirin is contraindicated. So some case studies in and
Yes.
around. Overall, what was the mindset when you joined in, when you started prep? Did you dream of a double digit, single digit before coming in, or was it something which, kind of a journey which made you realize that, come on, my potential is far more than what I'm working upon?
Before GPAT, there was like only like कुछ अच्छा rank आ जाए GPAT में qualify हो जाए. But as the things progressed, we moved towards getting like planning for All India rank 1. That but some things went wrong. Like पता नहीं ज़्यादा लोगों के like correct हो गए होंगे. तो फिर I ended up getting 217. But we worked hard later towards the weaker subjects. Then I could get 22 rank in NIPER.
Two important questions which everyone is suffering today. First, how does mentality and mindset help? The reason to ask you initially that when you attempted questions in practice papers, I suppose you attempted 170, 180 in NIPER practice papers at PharmaLite Test Race portal. At the same time, you attempted round about the same during the exam. So those things got replicated, I would say. जो दिमाग में बैठ गया था कि हर पेपर में ये सिचुएशन होती है, that got reproduced on the day of exam. But at the same time, when many students solve question papers in the initial days, when they are not that greatly ready, and when they don't score well, the confidence hits in. वो लोग डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, सोचते हैं मुझे चीजें आती नहीं. So what we usually recommend is stop thinking about the marks because you're not ready. You know you're not ready. But identify where you're going wrong and pick up yourself to move further. So what was your mind situation when you said initially that पहले से 50 questions correct जाते थे 125 में से? Did you feel low, or was it something which actually gave you an alarm that you're nowhere ready to what you deserve to achieve?
During GPAT, it affected, but as the things progressed, it was fine. Like thoda control mein tha. But in NIPER, when I started attempting series, the way of asking questions is very different in NIPER. They don't twist it. It's just straightforward. If you know, you know, or else you don't know. It's like that.
Either side of it.
So yes, in GPAT, you can try guesswork or you can eliminate options to a good extent. But in NIPER, it's 50-50 if you do it. So when I initially started attempting NIPER papers, only 78 would go correct out of 180 my attempts. So more than half were wrong. So it was very difficult.
How was that?
Later,
sorry, you can continue. I'll pitch in with the question later on.
Yeah, so later with practice, then I realized like college ही आते हुए भी गलत जा रहा है. Then I decided स्पर्श गुप्ता कैसे भी NIPER के पहले complete करना है. So I used to read the chapter from PharmaLite notes, followed by KD Tripathi, and finishing the Sparsh Gupta the same day. Like I took like a target, like आज पूरा respiratory खत्म करना है, कल पूरा cardiac खत्म करना है. So I did it that way. So उससे college ही improve हो गया. Sutix was strong from GPAT only. Chemistry we were working out in classes. So gradually थोड़े थोड़े questions correct होना चालू हो गए. And my strong point I would tell is I used to solve a lot of question papers previous years, and I solved it multiple times. So I knew what kind of questions can come. So while reading next time from the same topic, मैं वो focus करता था पढ़ते वक्त ही. तो फिर उससे मदद हुई.
जैसे आप नेम रिएक्शंस अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व कर चुके हो जीपैट के, यू नो दैट इट्स गोइंग टू बी ट्विस्टेड इन दिस मैनर,
Yeah.
रीडिंग यू ऑब्जर्व इट इन दैट मैनर.
Yes, yes.
Lastly, जो सबको तकलीफ है, I suppose you had offline colleges as well in between. So managing offline, online lectures, because these days everything being online, people find it tough managing online lectures, assignments लिखो. पहले तो assignment लिख के सिर्फ कॉलेज में सबमिट कर देना था, अब उसको स्कैन करो and then multiple other
हाँ.
challenges in. How greatly did you balance it and what was it which helped you to keep everything balanced?
So actually मेरे को नाइपर में कैसे भी आई एम टू गेट मोहाली कैसे भी आना चाहिए और लाइक 1 to 10 आ जाए रैंक. आई वाज लाइक वेरी मच डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स इट. तो फिर प्रॉब्लम जीपैट के टाइम आई थी बिकॉज दैट टाइम वी हैड ऑफलाइन क्लासेस एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स के 2-3 दिन बाद जीपैट था.
Okay.
सो एक महीना ऑलमोस्ट 20 days जीपैट का टच चले जाता है. सो दैट हिंडर्स योर रिविजन.
Correct.
So maybe because of that reason GPAT थोड़ा उतना अच्छा नहीं गया. But night per time it started online classes. So दिन शाम तक college classes होती थी. उसके बाद I used to start GPAT after 5. So and I used to attend classes weekends पे, तो फिर हो जाता था वो.
A major difference which Pharmalite made in the process of making you reach your dream?
Sir, Pharmalite helped me to basically clear the concepts, the basic understanding. Like it taught me to think logically. हर चीज का आंसर मालूम होना जरूरी नहीं है. You can apply logic and you can get the things out. Yeah, and that's it. It always kept me motivated.
Something which you were probably missing in your preparation and worked out well when it came to the direction way of going about.
Yes, like what to read, what not to read,
किस पे
what to do
focus
during
करना है.
exam, everything. Yeah.
Any special message for all the future GPAT Niper aspirants who will for sure be your juniors in the upcoming years at Niper Mohali?
I would tell like don't lose hopes. Even I was at the same stage few months back. In fact, it's just like keep reading, keep solving questions. More than reading, actually solving questions is more important because you get familiar with the subject. Even if you don't know, just write it on a paper. उसको बाद में जाके पढ़ लो. So it will help you a lot.
Start making
GPAT is just GPAT is just a step towards a NIPER. So if you get a low rank in GPAT, it does not matter. Same thing happened with me. I had 217 rank, but I had made it to double digit rank now. So it's possible. Best of luck.
Thanks a lot. Lastly, one question which always stays a challenge. People believe in accuracy, saying that 160
Yes.
attempt karo, but 160 ka 160 correct ho. I don't want to attempt 190 and then get 170 correct. So what is it which you believe personally in based on your experiences with GPAT Niper? Do you feel a calculated risk needs to be taken to place yourself different than others?
Yes, calculator risk is very important. Like suppose 150 में अगर suppose I attempt 150 and 150 correct भी चले जाते हैं, तो there is a less chance कि I'll be in top 10 only, top 20 only जो मेरे को चाहिए. तो थोड़ा calculated risk तो लेना ही था ताकि because 150 if I'm able to attempt, the other person will also be able to attempt.
Correct.
You should do something different that makes you different from that person. So
कुछ
थोड़ा
अलग
risk
करना है तो
लो,
कुछ अलग
calculated
करना
one.
पड़ेगा.
Yes.
I suppose you solved paper in 3 rounds and out of 177 or 180 which you attempted, you were sure about 149 of them, correct?
Yes, I'm sure.
And how about paper solving strategy? I mean, पढ़ना क्या है बता दिया, पढ़ाया क्या वो बता दिया, paper solve करना है वो बता दिया. But how about paper solving strategy? If you don't have any background or any kind of planner that 2 घंटे है नाइपर के लिए तो आधे घंटे में इतना होना चाहिए, 45 minutes में 100 क्वेश्चन हो जाने चाहिए. If you don't have any sort of such ideology right in the back of your mind, does it hamper the paper?
In my case, I didn't need such strategies because मैंने already इतने papers solve कर लिए थे कि I used to
Time was not a
complete
constraint.
एक स्टे हाँ 1 घंटे में actually हो जाता था पेपर. बाकी 1 घंटा I used to think जो नहीं आ रहा था. During actual NIPER exam, I finished 1.5 hour में हो गया था जो आता था, including
Flag
risk
questions
taking
down.
and all. Yes. So paper solving like we have thought आपने सिखाया था कि 3 राउंड में करना है, वही फॉलो करा था. And luckily we didn't have any numericals.
That's
So
what saved a lot
time
of
बच
time.
गया. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Netik. Thank you so much, and thanks for your pleasant message. मिलेंगे आपके juniors आपको soon at Naipur Mohali. Congratulations and all the best for a bright future. Thanks for your time. Take care.
Thank you, sir.